قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله.
Fidan from Turkey.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam.
So my question is that if by the sea there is a dog that licks one of the utensils and then sand gets into the utensils and it's washed afterwards many times, I was wondering if sand counts as soil and if intention is necessary in order to remove impurity. So if sand just got by itself and then it was washed.
Fidan, I didn't get the beginning of your question. Are you asking about a dog that licked into utensils and the utensils were washed without using soil?
No, like if sand, like I don't know if sand counts as soil, it got into the utensils.
Okay.
And if there was no intention of purifying, like it just got into the utensils and then they were washed many times afterwards with water.
What's wrong with sand? What is wrong with sand? Sand is pure.
Is it counting as soil?
Even soil is pure.
No, like does sand purify those utensils? Or does it have to be like soil, which is not sand?
Purified them from what?
The dog licking.
Okay, this is what I said in the very beginning. No, putting the sand with the utensils without intending to remove the impurity from the utensils does not work and does not help. You have to have the intention of doing it as part of the 7 washes that the Prophet ordered us ﷺ to do, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best. And have you ever taken a counseling session with me? Go to my website and you will find counseling sessions and apply for one. If you can afford it, that's good for you. If you cannot, you're entitled for one free session. And this is for everybody. If they can affirm by Allah that they cannot afford it because they're poor, I'll give them one free session without a problem, a full half an hour. So come to me and let's speak about it, inshallah, within the following 2 days or 3 days. And bi'idhnillah azza wa jal, I will try and seek Allah's guidance to solve your problem once and for all, bi'idhnillah.